Hello friends, I'm Elvis, your Flipkart Tech Pro. Today I'm back with yet another amazing phone from Realme. Let's have a look at the latest launch in Realme 8 series, which is one of the most popular smartphone series in India. The Realme 8S is the world's first phone which comes with Mediatek Dimensity 810, which is the latest 5G processor from Mediatek. You will be ready for the future with this amazing 5G phone. The phone has 8GB RAM and also comes with dynamic RAM expansion technology that allows you to add additional 5GB RAM on the phone. The Realme 8S phone has an amazing Full HD Plus display that ensures maximum pixel density and an amazing viewing experience. The pictures are bright and vivid and elevate the content viewing and gaming experience of the phone. The 90Hz display makes the phone super smooth to use. The phone has a powerful 5000 mAh battery that can allow you to multitask throughout the day. You could literally talk on your phone for up to 48 hours without the battery draining. Isn't that cool? The Realme 8S comes with a 33-watt dart charge that allows you to recharge quickly. The Realme 8S has a triple camera setup with flash. It has a 64-megapixel primary camera, 2-megapixel black and white portrait lens, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. You can capture some amazing pictures using the nightscape filter. The portrait mode of the camera captures such fine details that highlight your images perfectly. The phone also has a 16-megapixel beauty selfie camera that uses artificial intelligence to ensure your pictures look as beautiful as you. Also, the phone supports 5G and currently operates on Android 11. The phone design depicts infinite stars in the vast sky. The phone showcases a slight change in color when light falls at a certain angle. Also, the phone is very comfortable to hold. So friends, if you're looking for a smartphone with a world-class 5G processor while not compromising on any other aspect of the smartphone, the Realme 8S 5G is just for you. What's more, here is a tip for your next smartphone purchase on Flipkart. Make sure you check out Flipkart offerings like product exchange and no-cost EMI to make your purchase more affordable. Also, check out complete mobile protection to secure your phone from any physical or software damages.